Okay, I think I've won this trade. So I've won this trade. Okay, all right. So I like flowing along with the trend actually, but sometimes, of course, it might be wrong in your prediction. So I've won this trade. All right. So I placed 3 trades now. I won 2 and I've lost 1. So perhaps I'll take one more trade. Here are my horizontal lines, which I use to draw my support and resistance zones. All right. So I have won this trade again. All right. So I have won 3 trades and I lost 1. So I placed 4 trades today. Hello everyone. How are you today? Welcome once again to Online Money with Peter. Trust you're doing great. All right. Today I want to show you how to make money online trading binary options. All right, you can be making consistent profit trading binary options every day. All right, so let me show you how to do it. All right, before you start trading, of course, you should know how to trade forex. If you want a complete tutorial on how to trade the forex market, please kindly join our membership program, and I'm going to give you comprehensive training on how to trade the forex market. I've been a banker before, so with my years of experience, I'm going to use it to teach you how to trade like the banks do, and you'll be making consistent profit. But for now, I'm going to show you how to trade binary options. All right, now to trade binary options, of course, you need a strategy. I'm going to show you my strategy. All right, so the platform I'm using now is Iqoption. There are several other platforms out there that you can use. All right, we have pocket options, we have expert options and the likes, but I like using Iqoption because it's one of the best out there. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to choose an asset to trade. Like we have Euro USD, we have US currency and the others. So I think I will go for Euro USD and look for opportunities here. Now I do not really use indicators. I use price actions along with support and resistance zones. All right, so let me show you how I actually do it. Now first of all, you need to choose an asset. You need to choose the amount to invest. Now I'm investing $200. Invest 1% of your capital. It's very ideal. And okay, 200% of that, and my expiry time is 1 minute. Just 1 minute, and I'm going to get 84% return on my investment, which means my profit is going to be $168. All right, so let's see what's happening here. Okay, so you can see that the market now is on a support here. And I like picking my trades from support and resistance zone. So it's on the support here and it's likely to go up at this point. All right, so when it's trending down, I like looking for sell trade, and when it's trending up, I like looking for buy trade. As it is now, it's trending down, and I will only look for sell trade. So what I'll do, I press this one to look out for my support and resistance. So this is my resistance. I click duplicate and I place my support. Okay, I have to place my support. Okay, place my my support here. Okay, all right, so the best place to place a sell trade is at this point. Since it has gone a little bit below the support, this resistance zone, then I'll have to wait for it to come back to this resistance area before I place a sell trade. Else I'll have to wait for it to get to this support before I place a buy trade. But the overall trend, of course, is on a downtrend, and it will be to my own advantage if I place a sell trade rather than a buy trade. Okay, so let's just wait for this candlestick to get to a very good location before I place my sell trade. But however, let me check another pair. I'll leave it. Euro USD. Okay, so it has broken out of this resistance. So let's see if it's a false breakout or it's a true breakout. So let's see what happens. Okay, let's see. If it breaks out completely, then it's going to go to the upside, but it could be a false breakout. So let me wait for the candlestick to close, then I would decide on what to do. as it is likely to go down, but if the buyers have more pressure here, the buyers would have the day to go up. But let's wait for the candlestick to close. Few seconds more for the candlestick to close. Okay, let's see. Okay, so the candlestick has closed, another one is open. So you can see the candlestick that's open is actually going up. It's above the resistance, so but let's be careful at this point not to rush into taking any trade. Right, I have to be sure it has broken out of this resistance area. Okay, it's going up. Okay, let's see what happens at this point. Okay, let me quickly check 5 minutes and see what's happening in the 5 minutes chart. Okay, 5 minutes is also breaking out of it. Okay, so I'll go back to 1 minute chart. Let's see. Okay, so it has closed above it, so I think this is a breakout, but if it comes down to this area to retest, I will place a buy trade. Let's see, it goes down. Okay, all right, so I place a buy trade at this point, all right, believing that it's going to kiss, it's going to test this and then go to the upside. So let's wait and see the outcome of this trade. Okay, it's testing the support that was resistant before. Let's see what happens. I have like a few seconds left, 15, 14. Let's see what happens. Less than 10 seconds left. All right, a few seconds left. Oh, my internet. Okay, I think I've won this trade. So I've won this trade. Okay, all right, so I can see that it broke out of this resistance, came back, retested, and then I placed the trade, so I was able to win the trade. See if it has really broken out of this resistance. Let's see whether it will come back into this short sideways market. Really, so as it is, it's on this temporary sideways market. It can break to the upside or to the downside. So if it comes back inside, then it's a false breakout. Okay, but I've won my first trade. So let me also look for other opportunities. Okay, so as it is, I have to look for another opportunity, another asset to trade. Okay, this one has closed for now, so I look for another one. Okay, let's close and I know what to do. Okay, so I place a buy trade at this point because this is a pin bar, right? This pin bar here signifies strength of the buyers. The buyers push the price and is closed above this support. So in the next 1 minute, probably the buyers will also push the price up, right? Because of the close of the previous candlestick, that is pin bar. That was why I placed this trade. All right, so let's see if the buyers are strong at this point. Okay, let's wait and see the outcome. Okay. Okay, let's see. A few seconds left. Right. Okay, so trade is normal in forex. I've lost a trade, because of the pin bar. All right, so the buyers won in the previous minute. So because of the pin bar, so I thought it was going to continue to go up, but that is how it is with forex trading. So I've won the first one, lost the second one. So I'll take another trade, and I will not be in a rush. I will not be moved by the loss. I will just have to look for other opportunities. Okay, let's see. I think it's going back up, but the previous, the one I lost, I was so swift to place the trade. That was why I lost that. But let's see. Okay, I'll leave that one. Okay, GBP, Euro, GBP. Let's see what happens here. If it closes, let's see. Okay, comes down a little bit. Quite on an uptrend. Let's see. Okay, I'll place a buy trade here. Alright, because it's on an uptrend, this candlestick, the one before this one, is big, is strong, signifying that the price is going to go up. So that was why I placed the trade. It broke out of the resistance, came back again to retest it, and it's going back up. So because it came back and retested it, so I believe that it's going to go up. You can see that the overall trend is to the upside, an uptrend. So probably it's going to continue to go up. Alright, so I like flowing along with the trend actually, but sometimes of course it might be wrong in your prediction. So I've won this trade. Alright, so I placed 3 trades now. I won 2 and I've lost 1. So perhaps I'll take one more trade and see. As it is now, I'm in profit because I've won 2 trades and I lost 1. Okay, so I'll look for another opportunity. This one, okay. Euro USD. Okay, nope. Look for another one. So I'll take one more trade and I'm going to call it a day. But as it is now, I'm in profit. There's the current index. I want to take one more trade. Let's see. If I take a sell trade here, it's reversed here, so that probability that's going to reverse at this point too, but it could also break up to the upside. But let's see what transpires. Okay, it's actually going down, but let's see. Let this one close. Let's see what happens. Because it could break to the upside. Let's see. What 7 and it gets to 30. Okay, so I place a sell trade at this point. Okay, so I place a sell trade. Let's see what transpired at this point. Okay, all right, this is a resistance. You can see the resistance. So it has been reversing at this point. Reversed here, reversed here, reversed here. So probably it's going to reverse at this point as well. All right, so let's wait and see the outcome of this trade. Okay. Okay, so we have 20 something seconds left. So if I win this trade, I'm not going to trade again. That's 4 trades for today. But if I lose it as well, then I'll be breaking even. Alright, that is no profit, no loss, and it's okay. Alright, but let's see. Hopefully it's going to go to the downside. Alright, so you can see that I do not really have indicators here. What I have here are horizontal, my horizontal lines, which I use to draw my support and resistance zones. Alright, so I have won this trade again. Alright, so I have won 3 trades and I lost 1. So I placed 4 trades today and I won 3 and lost 1. Alright, so I'm profitable for today. Alright, so you can also do this and be making consistent profit, using your phone. Alright, if you don't have a PC, as long as you have a phone, you can use it to make consistent profit for yourself, trading the binary options. All you need to do is just get the right knowledge, get the right information, get the right training, and then you make a consistent profit using your phone trading binary option. All right, so if you want to sign up with Iqoption, I'll drop the link in the description. Click on it and you can sign through my link. And also, if you want to get comprehensive training on how to trade binary options and also how to trade forex, kindly become a member. And I'm going to give you comprehensive and intensive forex training, all right, so that you can be making profit, consistently trading the forex market. Thank you very much. On this platform, I teach people how to make money using different platforms, and forex is one of the platforms that I use to teach people how to make money. All right, thank you very much once again, and I'm going to see you next time with another interesting video. I'm going to see you next time. Bye bye.